Alright, so our emergency survival tent arrived. So I went and cut this open just to make it a little faster. And okay, so the box kind of popped open. I guess it's a little bit of a tight fit. So we'll have a look. Whoop. So I guess this is the light. Here is the survival tent. Whistle. Of course, this is the front. I'm thinking, yep. 3-in-1 survival tent. Let's have a look inside. Okay, so here are the little pegs that we probably will be making our own. We will try these out anyway, I'm thinking. And this is the emergency tent, emergency tube tent. NASA designed. Wow, my heavy duty. Shows how to set it up. This is the light. Let's pull it up. There you go. So we're not going to be testing it out today, but even though the box was beat open, nothing seems to be damaged. So Danny's going to be the one setting it up, and we're going to see how long it takes him. And it shouldn't be very long. So I'm going to go ahead and put some batteries in this and just see if it works. And I'll be right back. Okay, so Danny put the batteries in. It took 3 AAA batteries. So, of course, I had to find where it turns it on, and it's right here. Let's see. Wow, it's pretty bright for a little light. What do you think?
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, eh? It's a well hidden little button. There we go, found it. Oh, look at that. I guess it's an emergency light as well. Now that's pretty neat. Didn't know about that.
Yeah, a little blinker, right?
Yeah? That could come in handy if you're...
See that a long ways.
Yeah. Flashing for sure.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Perfect. Well, I can find it to turn it off. So we paid $18 for this on Amazon. And for right now, I want to say we got our money's worth. But time will tell when we set it up and try it out. So according to this, it reflects 90% of your body heat. It's water and wind proof. It's got an emergency whistle. So this is also pretty light. It weighs 8.7 ounces. So you could always have this tied on your pack sack or in your pack sack, in your vehicle, on your ATV, anywhere you're going, you can take this with you. What you get is an emergency light, 4 pegs, the emergency tube tent, whistle, and a little bag to carry it all in. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this little video of us unboxing our survival tent. And I guess you could call it like a semi-review. The light works, and it's got even a little flasher in it, so that could come in handy. It could save your life. You don't know. Again, we just paid $18 Canadian off Amazon. Free shipping, which is good. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll be seeing you again. Have a great weekend, everyone.